he said. I wasn't even the one who said it. I'm getting falsely accused.
I said it. I wasn't even talking about bro. Bro's got a mad echo.
Mm.
Oh yeah, no, I don't want to see this.
People in Fortnite are so angry. It pisses me off. Sure.
Oh fuck!
Oh,
I missed it.
how'd you die? Oh, I thought someone was there.
No. Whoopsie. No. I shit myself.
Don't do that.
Bro, you sound like a fucking middle-aged man picking on children. You sound like you're 30.
I hope 19's not middle age for you. That's tough.
Yeah, there's a kid there. It's up your bum.
Molestation.
There's 2 kids in that house.
I've killed one.
Oh, I just headshotted a kid. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I don't like to look at the goo bar. Getting bombed.
Is that a frog? There's 2
You're a
frogs
frog.
over there. You know who looks like a frog? No, there's certain people that look like
Ew.
frogs, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but
They're
who
just
are you
white faces.
referencing?
Where's this? I'm trying to find this fucking... Oh my god. Oh! Oh! Ow! Ah! I was dead!
Mia.
No! Die! I don't know what the other one is. Where is it?
Mia.
Whoa, hang on, where's the other kid? What the fuck is this? Bro was stuck inside. Oh, there's a thing.
Charlie.
Oh, help alive. Ah! Bum hole. Why have I been run over 2 times by the same person?
Why do you never say twice?
Huh?
You always say 2 times.
I never think of the word twice. Fuck saying twice.
That's like the second time I pick on you in like 2 days.
Huh?
I picked on you about that yesterday.
Did you actually?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Well, well, well.
Banana smoothie.
For real.
I feel bad for poor banana smoothie.
Same. Oh. Oh. Got someone's legendary thing.
What thing?
What's that? Plant.
Plant. I can see you now. Nah, Andrew's actually come back and not being a bum anymore.
Let's go for real.
I can't even be mad at him, it pisses me off.
Where the fuck is that? These in his reality tree.
Does anyone else have a key? I've got one right here.
No.
See if there's another one in this building.
Bro has a key.
Wait, do you have a key?
What's the Hannibal Lecter thing? Thing?
Thing.
It. For real.
What are you doing?
There's a kid. Oh, he went there.
No.
Did you take my spider or something?
No. It's in the wall.
I just said that. I've been shot. I hit the show. Let's go.
My game is lagging.
No. Maybe. SMGs. Wasn't it SMGs? Stealing. He's just bombed. Bro, you just killed so many people, I swear.
Yeah, I killed the whole squad.
Oh. Holy. Oh, look at the zone. Oh my god. I can't get out of the thing. I was trying to jump out, but it didn't work. Oh fuck. Oh my god. I've edited myself out. Hello. I don't know, should I keep that?
Keep what?
The Cobra. What is it? No,
Sure.
it doesn't let you see very far. Can't. Oh. Oh, the thing. I'm tired. I've been shot at. Oh, let's get ready.
Yeah.
Bro's trying to bomb. What the fucking shithole? What is it? Bro, I got stuck in these builds and someone was shooting from behind. Oh.